Alright, let's head back to Black Cat. Okay. I'm back, Cat.
Nice to see you in one lovely piece, Spider-Man.
Yeah, you too. The Bugle was not on Kingpin's target list.
Yeah, it's a shame when a girl can't slap accurate information out of a goon.
What is this world coming to?
I did try to follow some of those bad boys you were playing with, and they seemed to just disappear.
I see, which probably means a secret base.
Exactly. What good are evil henchmen without a secret base to keep them in?
Maybe I should pay them a call. Welcome them to the neighborhood, Spidey style.
Sounds like fun. See you after you smash the little hideout.
Count on it. So what is Kingpin up to that you're involved in?
What is Tubby ever up to? Guns, drugs, anything else that can corrupt the world and make him a lot of money at the same time?
And you just went after him.
I was having one of my I wish I was a superhero days.
Which is better than one of your I think I'll steal the Hope Diamond days. Huh.
Glad you think so. I usually end up feeling like a loser after I try the super stuff.
Nah, you do okay.
I do?
Sometimes, yeah.
Uh-huh. Name one.
That one time, you did pretty good. Saving my life, or somebody's life, or something.
You're a terrible liar.
I'm an incredible dancer, though. So you win some, lose some, whatever.
Thanks for trying. I need a good word from you.
See you back here. I'm here.
This place has all the telltale signs of a secret base.
Birds of a feather.
Is this your new line of work? Goblins are us?
Leave now while you still can.
I'm glad you found work within the criminal industries.
I'm warning you, Spider-Man.
Uh-oh. What's going on? He's building something, I think. Whoa! It's Vulture! Ouch! Take this. Call one of your gobby friends. Good one. Watch out! You think your friends can stop me? I don't think so. Not this time.
Now that I'm here, let's pluck some feathers out of your cheek.
Where do you think you're going, little birdie? Good one. Gotcha. Oh no. Clever. Yes, I did. That's what heroes do. Uh-oh. Oh dear. Whoa! Oh, you're gonna pay for that. Whatever his wings. Good point. You're not getting away from me. Not this time.
More goons, more ways to get to Vulture.
More goons, more ways to get the Vulture. Exactly. Come here. Wow! Come on. They're trying to shoot you. Ouch, ouch. That hurts. Ouch, ow. That's it. I've had enough. I've had enough too. Time to put a stop to this bird. Come here, you. Watch out! Take this. Yeah. Ha. Ha. Crush.
Okay, Buzzard Breath. Merry Christmas. Now you owe me one. Cross me again, I'll do more than take your wings.
Of course, of course. You won't regret this, I swear.
I hope not. He's on our side now.
Yep.